A conventional fire alarm system. A fire alarm detection circuit is a system for detecting the presence of fire, consisting of heat detectors, smoke detectors, and other types of detectors connected in series to a fire alarm control panel. The system is activated when a detector is triggered, and the control panel will then send out a signal to sound an alarm and activate other outputs. A fire detection circuit in a conventional fire alarm system works by connecting a series of devices, such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, and manual call points, in a loop. This loop is then connected to an end-of-line device, such as a resistor or capacitor. When a fire is detected by one of the devices in the loop, an alarm signal is sent to the CIE, control indicating equipment, which triggers the alarm. The primary issue with conventional fire alarm panels is that it is impossible to identify which device has been triggered within a loop. This is particularly concerning in the event of a fire, as emergency responders won't have any knowledge of its exact location, only that it is somewhere within a specified area. A conventional fire alarm system is typically used in smaller applications, such as those with fewer than 50 detectors. Although it is still cheaper than an addressable system, the cost difference is diminishing rapidly as microprocessor-based electronics become more affordable. In the 80s up until the early 2000s, the cost difference between a conventional and addressable fire alarm system was considerable, making it more attractive for someone with a restricted budget to opt for a conventional system. Unfortunately, this type of system lacked the ability to give the user much information about an alarm activation. All they could tell from the fire alarm control panel was the location of the activation. When limited information is provided, such as first floor or second floor, the user must search the fire zone to identify the source of the fire activation, which can take additional time to determine if it is a true emergency.